All right, friends, today we're going to be measuring using a number line. So what they're telling us at the top of the number line is that this is measured in centimeters. So instead of using a ruler, we're using this number line. Each number counts for 1 centimeter. So between 0 and 1, there's a centimeter. Between 1 and 2, there's a centimeter. And what they want us to do is just lay objects on the line and see where they end up. Okay, so we're just going to experiment a little bit before we write anything down. I am going to lay down a pair of scissors on the line, and I can see that my scissors end at line 6, so they are 6 centimeters. If I put my pencil on the line, my pencil ends at 9, so it's 9 centimeters. I have a marker here. I put my marker down on the line. It's 7, so it's 7 centimeters. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and try that at home. Put a couple different objects on your line and see how big they are. Okay, see how long they are. Go ahead and pause the video and try a few things of your own. Okay, welcome back, friends. We're going to now record 2 of our items. I'm going to record the scissors. Okay, so I'm going to put the scissors there, and I'm just going to trace around them. All right, so there's my scissors. I'll have a little X in between them. All right, so my scissors are 6 centimeters, and I'm going to use my pencil. So this particular pencil is 9 centimeters. Okay, and so I'm going to use the pencil first because it's the longer number, and we know when we subtract, the bigger number always goes first. So 9 centimeters minus 6 centimeters equals 3 centimeters. Okay, go ahead and catch up by putting that on your paper. Make yours look like mine. You can pause the video if you need to. When you're all set, turn to page 710. So on page 710, they have some objects sitting on the number line already, but they don't start at 0. If you notice, they start kind of in the middle of the number line. So if we want to know how big these objects are, we can't just look at the number on the line. So for instance, the crayon is not 29 centimeters because they started at number 20. So if we count from 20 to 29, that crayon is 9 centimeters long. Our paper clip starts at 25 and it goes up to 30. So there are 5 numbers between 25 and 30. It's 5 centimeters long. Let's take a look at the colored pencil. It starts at 61 and it ends at 66. So how many inches, now we're in inches, notice that up here. We were measuring in centimeters, now we're measuring in inches. It starts at 61 and it ends at 66. So how many inches are between there? You can either do 66 minus 61 to figure it out, or you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the pencil is 5 inches long. Okay, let's take a look. They want to know how much longer the marker is than the rubber band. So the marker goes from 60 to 66. So that's going to be 6 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The rubber band goes from 62 to 65, so that's 1, 2, 3 inches. 6 inches minus 3 inches equals 3 inches. Okay, or I could also count the spaces that aren't filled in by rubber band but are filled in by marker. So the marker's here but the rubber band isn't. That's 1. The marker's here but the rubber band isn't. That's 2. The marker's here but the rubber band isn't. That's 3. So the marker is 3 inches longer than the rubber band. Go ahead and give this math a try. You are on page 711 and 712. It already has everything laid out for you, so you should be able to do it even if you don't have a centimeter ruler or an inch ruler. You should be able to do this one without any rulers because it's all number lines. Okay, go ahead and give it a try. Send me a message if you need help.